We now continue with a prayer to Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles and the deity traditionally invoked at the start of every sacred undertaking. The composition is Vatapi Ganapatim Bajeham, set in Raga Hamsadvani and Aditala, composed by the legendary Muthuswami Dikshitar. This year, as we honor his 250th birth anniversary, we celebrate the enduring legacy of this great composer who created many of his timeless kritis in the late 18th and early 19th centuries. This song praises Vatapi Ganapati, whose idol was originally enshrined in the ancient city of Vatapi, which is the modern-day Badami in Karnataka, and was later brought to the Uttra Pratiswami temple in Tiruchenkattankudi near Tiruvarur. This powerful image inspired Dikshitar to compose this kriti, highlighting the divine presence and history of this form. The lyrics also tell the legendary story of Vatapi, a demon who could change forms and who was ultimately defeated and digested by the sage Agastya, earning him the name Vatapiha, the one who destroyed Vatapi. The line Pura Kumbha Sambhava Munivara Pujitam refers to Agastya, who was miraculously born from a sacred pot and worshipped this very form of Ganesha. In some Telugu families, a charming tradition echoes this tale. After children finish eating, their stomachs are gently rubbed while saying Vatapi Jiranam, connecting to the story of the sage who digested Vatapi. This playful custom brings the myth alive in everyday life and beautifully ties to the devotion expressed in Dikshitar's song. Dikshitar also honors this deity as Mooladhara Kshetrastitam, residing in the Mooladhara Chakra Vinayaka temple in Tiruvarur. The Mooladhara Chakra at the base of the spine represent grounding, stability and new beginnings. Ganesha's presence here symbolizes support for every new endeavor, blessing both the dancer and the path ahead. The rest of the song continues to praise Ganapati's all-encompassing presence, describing him as the beloved of yogis, the remover of obstacles, and the embodiment of Pranava, Omkara. Dikshitar also subtly includes his mudra, Guru Guha, and the Raga mudra, Hamsadvani, within the kriti, a signature that marks his musical authorship. As Bhumika performs this piece, each movement honors Vatapi Ganapati, invoking his guidance, protection and blessings. We are also celebrating Ganesh Navratri, a time when devotees across India and the world honor Lord Ganesha with devotion and joy. Bhumika's offering today resonates beautifully with the spirit of worship and celebration. Please enjoy Vatapi Ganapatim Bajeham.
वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं